Approximately 72% of our planet is surrounded by water, which 92% is salty water. Water is the lifeblood of planet Earth and humankind. They produce more than half of the oxygen in the atmosphere and absorb the most carbon from it. No matter how far from the shore you live, oceans still affect your life and the lives of your families and friends, classmates and colleagues. The air that you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat, the products that keep you warm, safe, informed, and entertained, all can come from or be transported by the ocean. The importance of oceans and seas is related to fisheries and shipping routes, but also to the creation of oxygen and soil chemical equilibrium conditions. Ocean water is processed to extract commercially valuable minerals, such as salt, bromine, and magnesium. Although nearly 60 valuable chemical elements have been found dissolved in ocean water, most are in such dilute concentrations that commercial extraction is not profitable. Ocean pollution, meantime, has escalated dramatically as those who use the oceans for recreational and commercial purposes, as well as those who live nearby, have disposed of more and more wastes. About half of the world's population lives within the coastal zone, and ocean-based businesses contribute more than $500 billion to the world's economy. Historically, we thought that we could never take too much out of or put too much waste into the oceans. The sheer number of people who use and depend on the ocean and sometimes unwise practices we adopt have created problems such as overharvest of resources, reduction in biodiversity, and degradation of marine habitats and species, among others. We risk the very ecosystems on which our survival depends.